land of beauty, a sacred place. Rivers that flow through valleys so deep, whispering secrets that the mountains keep. Oh, Meghalaya, land of dreams, where the waterfalls flow like endless streams. In your green embrace I find my way. Underneath your skies I long to stay. The pine trees sway with a gentle song, echoing tales where the spirits belong. From Shillong streets to Cherrapunjee's rains, every step I take, your beauty remains. Oh, Meghalaya, land of dreams, where the waterfalls flow like endless streams. In your green embrace I find my way. Underneath your skies I long to stay. Through the clouds the sun will shine. In your embrace I feel divine. The Khasi, Jaintia and Garo pride, together in harmony, side by side. Oh, Meghalaya, land of dreams, where the waterfalls flow like endless streams. In your green embrace I find my way. Underneath your skies I long to stay. Meghalaya, your heart beats in me, land of peace and eternity. Whispers of nature call me near. In your arms I have no fear. Meghalaya.